oh my many can be was it the law is the law.
Yes.
So wo can some. Nese winim de wo kan to se me say me kasa ya mo hwe midin. Asema min tiase no men time fa ma no ntu. Otemase.
Yes.
Nti ne se amane ma bia didi atembi ni adenye. Bawumia, His Excellency Bawumia. The press statement de me fu se eni se nko de ba.
Sir.
Na before na ne ye tankrofo ani wo kan de me ye time me mani krampo wono be ko no ho mi su ko ne ho de na kan. When fi me ke ni su ko ne ho de be na kan.
No a certain vice president.
A certain vice president, what are you talking about? Ade de be na kan no be kan accountability. Obi me pese me ka me ne on na sem. Me di su ko ne ho. Me board for the su ko ne ho de na kan.
Omotata wo no.
Ade asem na okay. Edebe no kan me de bia nkofo se me ka me ho asem because of our communications activity in person me ka obi asem me ka de minim ko me ko obi asem ni nipa ne se nyampa yes ma tomra inti de bia nkofo se me ka me ho asem me de su ko Bawumia fi me wan ka sam ho inse me wo mu me person me ka obi se wo ba ne so de ni tifie ne so wan titi ni ye no koko didi obi wa atemu abonten ni yesi ni koto a unkwa abonten koko ntokwa because so ultimately oba no fi Bawumia should put his house in order
ejina koto ni so ebi yesi ni koto ma waka na ketrema no de moja ba fi
no de moja ba fi da bude na ba ye ho koko didi obi atema na osi ni koto a oti dem e kire wo no because so otete oba wo fi chance ye ni atem because they be so mo asem ye de. That's what some men yet the nipa ye can drill it down to nipa na ye come asem no. Abronye. Obinye dem han na metin ye chi abronye first time na make bi ba na mimpo mi so ye fine boy.
Yes.
Orefi.
Yes.
Umbo busa me say me ye sure. Abronye dane na ni sa bedidi matem say me num wi. Obi what asem we bi da. Wo abronye a wuti we wano ya be ma wano ya.
Oso na na ya wonu.
Wosi ono wante. Wosi me num wi. Koko bisa ebaya ma me bosses nyina mpo came to their attention. Obi me metu ensakra menim nom uma me nsa sesi amepo go to menum menum bida. Na wo so me menum wi me nom wi me sadi wi wo SS. Can you imagine this? Edidi matampo to. Wo ko gira judge nim di judge atem.
Almost okay, judge ne ye political.
And no can dey can me ti second patrol can last sentence no can just say judge no ye caricature. That sentence no can ho come me tie. Na wo judge ni ma ti ka judge so ye political. Mo de we am betumi use judges wo krom ayanka. Ye din ye hwem. Otemase me patrol dey asem no ka to ache so kan bibi.
Me pedie na what charge sheet ne so say on the charge sheet no mo reproduce what he was supposed to have said.
How can you still wo your lawyer ni? Ujina judge nim e ka chance wo your political. Because wo abronya wo wuti me wie form 5 na me wo ya nka me ba na wo ye pe.
Yeah.
Me mates omo wie after form 5 omo am to aso anko university anko ba bia no. Omo ma nana no mo krampo ye mpanyimfo. Na wo wuti ka je me ma me panyimu se otimi gya ka chem se me num wi. Where are some Bawumia or accountability? I won't go ni fear of first. The whole accountability no one starting free. What my church away from to those days I near tank of when you know what can I don't want trauma accountability. Obi mi bizao. I don't want trauma. Say account what's now am akola na yes I dey we afi na be church say accountability. I dey Bawumia na was we on na. Me who ye ne post near mama say he will never sleep till he becomes president. You will never sleep. Obi on na. And you saw that they are born in a besono because of the way o me treat Ghana for.
Na yabaye hufin yo. Yabaye hufin. Yeti krama and a former president be onyem ni sports person yire. E wo kroma.
Former president.
Yes, yeti kroma.
In this republic.
In this republic onyem ni sports person yire.
Ni spokesperson yire.
Yes, onyem no. E wo kroma.
E wo Ghana.
And your mama na yes ha.
Oh, are you serious about this?
Master, I'm telling you, sir, the spokesperson here.
The spokesperson Ben. The spokesperson Ben. The spokesperson Ben.
Master, Kwaku and maybe from 20
because me say John Jinapa is spokesperson, Ben Duche Mala is spokesperson, Mahama Yarga is spokesperson,
and your Mahama Yarga.
Neha,
Mama Yarga do Chefli.
Aka John Jinapo.
Madam, I come say, John Mahama, the spokesperson here. On you know what
than CD.
Oh, Master, more than just a member city, your men for Crown Metro.
No, okay, what
I may catch away. What from me, I'm just almost here by it here. Some when you and some hole.
Your flow will bring my big
or from way.
I will bring my
to so.
On found court.
Roman. And this guru soon, you know, Madame Cocoto, as he said. Massa, or Madame Cocoto, we are. But there are some Cocoto court to the normal fight to the patcho. May say, some was your son on which that platform soon about Mary Praco, Bawumia Praco. Bawumia, on any sports person be a year and Quadayo. Bawumia, on any sports person, year beyond Concordia. Bawumia, and him the Eddie be a year, but Mobuni Panama the neighbor. On one him the sports person here. Our piano within the NDC. Or piano within the NDC. Or we are not with the deputy minister compensating. I see it, yes, I'm the deputy minister compensating.
A compensating spokesperson.
Yes. So what you want, Grand Samuel Mahama cannot move. So much on back and was a simple groma. And Samuel Bakat and on to me move. So 2 months, Yakan. That will be ready. A crap man, Biane, quite a chronic Cassanyane, her creativity be our by a sunny Bema, and then the so communicator, Ebini and Dissimo. One politics that small boy, 30 years old. Oh, Bawumia Praco, Mama now would your campaign man on yet to send you. Ni ed, ni sport person, you know, on Yemino, our chroma. On Yemino, what's that platform swap? One can't answer on kind on count. Talk about Bawumia Praco. Bawumia dear, Praco on me, and an ed the beer no one Yemini hero. But Mahama Yemini ed the year.
I see. Chairman,
what's it?
Akola kono we. Akola ni
something said there on one moment.
I want to back court to.
I dear court to the young more beyond. Me Kasa Mahama Yemini Edi.
Ghana ha. Ya nyankofo a yako tua ba se ayi epenyin omudi tuo anadwo ya da no omudi tuo konkrofo ho ebonkrofo tuo ko mu na omo akọ tena ebi a ye de abato kotena no se so omo no mo hwe yeso na obi di tuo bedi wusu a oye wade na umpe a otimi ka obi enti please we should understand that the NDC today as a party they have a background. They came from a military regime. Obi, these things are important. 81 kuna yeno na liman yako tu abamano. And President Rawlings, may he so rest in peace. Only the guys fat too. Say nyaman koyi o mainomu whether survey ya bisa nyina adwen bo no na adwen mu no e wo so onfa tu nko tu papa no and odi tu ko tu papa no and obedi president. When he was president, obi odi tuo na edi president. Oye president shape military atare no. Wadwe obi bia, obeka oye careful. Enti ye your man for close to till he left in 2000 for close to 19 years no. Ye hwe chi asana ya kasa. It's not easy. Almost 2 decades. Na kakra nyankopɔ adom abotre impaibo any democracy ya kakra and Akufo Addo. One of the first things President Akufo did was to take away the criminal libel law. Obi, didn't President Akufo di call cabinet, my about parliament na yi free ho because na emra u kasana wano tra. And I want to say here, ye di u ko she prison. And you say what Bobby assume, and now you will be brodo, and now what pure Biama wa prow, Kasa. Say Obi, me show, bomber show will cry what bone, now Chinana and Untina handcuff Sheminsa. And please, those who have not read this book, Why Nations Fail, Obi, when you finish, all the book tells you that two things is what creates mighty nations. Creative distraction, where you allow people to innovate. Old technology should give way to new ones. And then the second one, vibrant community. Where Obia said, Kwasiapo, my uncle na dream, by ye on Yansa, ebe Kwasia from Nipa on your Kwasia. Obi. Two items. Why do you think people in China, some of the countries are Obeuna dictators, they want their relatives to be in UK? Why do you think so? Think about it. Because UK is a country that practice democracy the longest. Unim said the BCBA so maybe for anaju ayeni maybe aokone and sit da. That's why you go to countries where their leaders have been in power for 20-30 years, but they don't feel safe to have their children there. They send them to the United Kingdom. Across the world, the only country that has received political asylum seekers that anybody is the United Kingdom. Because leadership is by the people through elections. Even the king himself is only ceremonial. Obi. Timesre, NDC. Time I got 2000 election. Now MPP a campaign ni binu. Ye masoje ni ShUT. Now I said ye ba. Now I can say rolling situation. Omu be ka che say sa no mo jai, omo sisa. Obi. Now, who ye politics are? Yesu Christo. Edre bin beside the disciples, he said, what do people say?
Who do men say
who
I
do
am?
Men say I am? Why did he ask that question, Obi? Because he was a public person.
Yeah.
Christ was not a private person.
Yeah.
He had brought a message of redemption to all men. And he was taking on institutions. So he had become a public person. And any person who is a public person, you know, a sacrifice is a calling. That's what they say. Medicine is a calling. Calling, just say you put your own comfort aside, sometimes even your safety, because you put your life on the line for others. Politics is a calling, Obi. With all due respect, if you are someone you cannot tolerate foolish talk from people, unfounded talk, insults from people, as much as possible, don't go into it, Obi. There are other ways to serve the community. You can do an NGO. You can. There are many ways to help it, but partisan politics. Say, oh yeah, who belong to this party? Who belong only the community? In fact, even chieftaincy. Oh you're here. Who belong you're here? Now name akuma kesia. Try to avoid it, Obi. Didn't you know we can say? Nipa yena yenji baku, Obi. Dr. Koboy say me company be asem. Oh me team. Now me yenu cry. Sometimes me bompa catch a myself a chem. When I've not even uttered the word. Why do I pray in my head and ask for forgiveness when I say something against Obia? It's because of my training. Obi, training Obia when you chemeno say or ye kwasasem kra. I'm not allowed. My words, my mouth cannot open and say this man is foolish. It cannot come out. It's my training. But in society, Obi, you don't have everybody being trained like that. There are people they grew up without mothers and fathers. There are people Obi, they've never sat in Sunday school before. There are people who can tell an elderly man or a kid that you are stupid and they don't even feel anything. Unlike some of us. But once you decide to lead a community, you must be willing to shake hands with both the wise man and the foolish man. We should not mince words, Obi. These things that are happening, when you go to every territory, and please, the NDC should take notice. When these reports, they are passed through cables to our development partners, it does not put you in any good light. A country where you make a statement about a judge, it's not like you try to knife the judge in public. You sit in your room, podcast, and say that this judge is a political judge. And then you are in prison for 2 weeks. Obi, any country that receives this cable, they put you in the red. That is a country where the atmosphere is rigid and people don't have the freedom to speak. Mesre, now Obi, nyachum say anu yedi Obi. Please, I'm coming. No. You see, Obi, me body, yo, abrantie bia. Oye, nyama abronye ye. This is a podcast, no. I buy internet too. Yes. Obi, words are Owusu on individuals in this country. Yet the man say repeat you can't.
Boy Kennedy me menti as you.
Adai.
Oko boy for the first time my surprise kakra.
I didn't hear.
Say ade asema eda ho no. Say wa approach no. As if we in me kra went me ankasa we sorry on behalf of Abronye for what he did to me. Me your back.
They also kafa
o kasa man kabi. Oko boy who kasa me see na me ti ha man kabi. You hu hia wanka twaso apotwaso. Oko boy what ya wo justify edidi atem.
Oh.
Usi obi wo ho a sa na atete no nti yenhwe na eni obi wo ho no kobọ kro no ani si edini tum.
It's not the same.
You are justifying your friend say.
But so people are in the society.
Wo kasa
na one show jeli obi a. There are people who are not like you.
Yes.
Don't understand.
Wo justify say a good see a bit in pattern because the person is cultured like that. Instead there should be no attempt to even change the person. Nipa ye kana semi ekuku dan for ahemfu nyina. We did one matam do ma hene do ma hema ma ne pacho e wa ahemfie. What am I say?
Yes.
We did Crawford His Excellency Mahama. We did not attempt. Obia we did not attempt. Now you are telling me it's justifiable because he antitini ye. Me ka bronye.
Okay.
Ya antitini ye. Into obia ya antitini ye be timi sorry the din Crawford no afa no ho adi.
But also my examples be.
Examples ben. E dey examples because obi o kwampa ya antitini ye. No shia mental be a mental ne ye okay wo ye papa. Mental ne timi sesa nipa na brabo. A dear Benti, the leader was our party. Abronya continue insulting people. One cash. I am happy say no ko. Eti her kase. Judicial secretary ne making request for the arrest of Nipa ye kanasemi. Judicial secretary is Excellency Mahama. Ibisao. You see what 3 arms of government.
No, me correct. He said on the charge sheet, the Ghana Police Service. The complaint came from the Ghana Police Service.
There is a complaint. Whatever it is, His Excellency Mahama. One on a case. Nani di work charge sheet no so.
Dabi.
Ti adentina mo kase ono. Aden MPP for call demonstration you boni dim.
Omobo John Mahama.
I say in the government the ono. What was it?
No,
but he is saying that the complaint came from the judicial secretary. And who Obi Winim said there are 3 arms of government with the 4th estate.
Absolutely.
What must say? They work Obiaye na Juma, but they come together for certain things to be done. So the judicial secretary, our new Homa judiciary, and a year then, and making complaints.
Yes.
One account ha. Me kwana menti you. What can we hente dear Benti now? I don't know more judicial secretary no so bo. Number they government. Number 2, Obi Midi Bichirao. Billboards are seminal.
We Gomwa West guy no billboard.
That is the point. They are Medichira no. That is the information. Nipa kra okoko ye.
The information is a nipa na billboard.
But the dia ukodi face billboard.
And the core report.
That is the point. Why are you holding government? Other than no more DSA. Nipa kra billboard ye ne dia and no pay me.
Because the police have not officially told Ghanaians why that guy was arrested. Maybe or somebody statement.
Time and I yen yesu ani ye journalism no me.
Yes.
Na me national security koji information. Imre bi ye chema me bi o post office. No we sika. Also there's near the sika free post office but the national security chain no. And ye didn't call that time time. Rollins time.
Okay.
Ye didn't call Blue Gate. Me call with my ID to go into the situation to find out why the woman was arrested. Into me colleague journalist, mummy asamba, mummy and shishim. Mummy and shishim near who are some the faraban. And Sunday has started about government to support. MPP for more coalition, one more per platform be the Jinasu individuals to show that they are working. Don't they are jidding, Okoba yen when then the Conwin in Tini, election awoke kuntia. What
any election and Gonkasa.
There be doctor one young Gonkasa. Kono ye ananko the medicine e wurem enso ene let's you
go say obi dem 2 weeks obusu ni anka oni be
me pa cho nipa no edi wakwa kan judge I don't understand I don't know attack
but judge no kan hwe
I don't know
obi judge no kan hwe
enye one okay.
Police obi akano.
Me pese me bisa wasam wo
na police you are buying. Obi. Any police ever buying.
Who's the judicial secretary?
But put it on record. As you speak, judge don't complain here.
No, the judge are into mami kind of brief fact.
Who's the judicial secretary?
We a trained communicator into the police watching with you.
Police for me they be much there will be a one journalist be na no. Trained journalist mummy hwe bibi Ghana mra how. Oh yes, you track criminal libel law but men ran same way ko so nyina me ko hwehwe mra. Yes, you free bibi Act 208 Electronic
Communications Act.
Yes. 208.
Yes.
76.
Section 76.
Yes,
yes.
That
Publication of false.
Yes.
As on Act 29, so Section 208.
Yes. Into what cancer? Oh, my many can be was it the law is the law.
Yes.
So what cancer? Nessa win him the walk can. So me say me kasa ya mo hwe bidin. Asema min tiase en men time fa manon tu. Otemase.
Yes.
Inti ne say amane ma bia didi atembi ni adenye. Bawumia, His Excellency Bawumia. The press statement dey me full say eni se nko de ba.
Sir.
Ne before na ne ye tankrofo ani wo kan de. Me ye time me mani kura mpo wono be ko no ho mi su ko ne ho de na o kan.
When fi
me ke. Ni su ko ne ho de be na o kan.
A certain vice president.
A certain vice president, what are you talking about? Ade de be na o kan no be kan accountability. Obi me pese me ka me ne on ne nasem. Me di su ko ne ho. Me board for the su ko ne ho de na o kan.
Omotata wo no.
Ade asem na okay. Ede be no kan me de bia nkofo se me ka me ho asem because of sa communications activity in person me ka obi asem me ka de nim ko me ko obi asem ni nipa ne se nyampa yes ma tomra inti de bia nkofo se me ka me ho asem me di su ko Bawumia fi me wankasa me ho inseme wo mu me person me ka me ye adwuma ma jaja me nko
no say bia na at the point no ntimi nya hwe
ntimi nya hwe ene na obetimi aye bibi ene de obetimi aye bibi watro aden de wan twrompo no wanka ene asem na obi wo kan
ene o say I therefore serve notice to officers of the state who are active participants in this unholy enterprise using state power to intimidate the opposition. That day of accountability will come, and the abuse of state power will be accounted for.
Obi me pesa word accountability. Bawumia was so a leader. Still he's a mate.
Leader of the opposition.
That is what I am telling you. This atchotro we soon infaso. Obi sa oba. Nessa ordinity fee. Nessa one titini ye. No go did obi wa atemu abonten ye sinikuta. Unko abonten ko kontoko. Because so ultimately oba no fi Bawumia should put his house in order.
Ejina kutoni so. Ebi ye sinikuto ma wa kana ketrema no de moja ba fi.
No de moja ba fi wa. Da bude na ba ye ho koko didi obi atema no sinikuta. Oti dem chira wo no because se so tete oba wo fie chance ye ni atem. Because they be so more asem ye de. That's what asem ye de nipa ye ka ye drill down to nipa na ye kama asem no. Abronye. Obi nye dem ha na mete na ye chi abronye first time na make bi na me mpom so ye fine boy.
Yes.
Orefi.
Yes.
Umbo obu say me say me ye sure. Abronye dane na ni sa bedidi matem say me num wi. Obi what asem we bi da. Wo abronye nya wuti we wano ya bema wano ya
oso wona na ya wonu
wosi ono wante wosi minum wi koko bisa ebaya ma me bosses nyina mpo came to their attention obi mi miti we nsakra minim nom uma me nsa sesi a mepo agwa to menum a minum bi da na wo so me minum wi me nom wi me sadi wi wo ss. Can you imagine this? Edidi matampoto o ko jira judge ni bi di judge atem
almost okay say judge na ye political
and no can dey can me ti second bacho can last sentence no can just say judge no ye caricature that sentence no can ho no kama mintie na wo jira judge ni mati bi ka che judge so ye political mo de we am betumi use judges wo krom ayanka ye din ye hwem otemase me pacho dey asem no ka to a che so kan bibi
me pedie na what charge sheet so say on the charge sheet no more reproduce what he was supposed to have said.
How can you still who your lawyer ni who judge nim e ka chance we political otimasi ewiase obi en ho nya political obi a woni party a wagitum asode cry political obi a woni belief a wagitum so otimasi na wo gina judge nim obi a wono no obebua waten no wagya na nim aka akire ne se wo ye political what asem we bida abroye didi atem a wonwene ho me na semba first man kemi kwa na oye mmobo otimase me kan na no wi a obi fra me ka je na ya abroye na wo kan bi ma no ne ba be didi atenam so omunya no ma mon ha no oye young man na fe de wo wi ya otimitum me ka bibia so utie nsem abroye ka fa me ho a President Mahama Craft
Bana obi se me musa o se wo time ano mo tata it was not for free speech.
It was for
for social media posts. It was for you to account for your stewardship.
What you want? What stewardship?
Now
like can we need some more kind. One must say me PRC man. Obi me see me person me come. It account for who stewardship. Near mom we hear me nya de be no mu ehun ye there stewardship obi person your boni man nipa kro no kasa onim de okeka
a good fellow na this
one good fellow obi person ye oboni a otimi ka bibia because o ka kire me say nsema me ka wo me PRC days am defend it tires enu enye tenable nti so otimi ye dey frame me up for no good fellow no dey no who is good fellow a good fellow no kasa sa no a good fellow doesn't speak like that. Because you need to have evidence. And some wouldn't you don't go away. Because you see, people wanted to just disgrace me. But I know I don't
yes.
What you are saying, Tina Metes is gone. But two good fellow who name their worker don't come saying it. What the man says, as some there's a worker, you need to be very circumspect. So until Abronya can say me no win or no good fellow na any day. Me Christo need to say me ameme kwa so do defame me. Yes, in the eyes of right thinking men.
But say no say no. In the emergency abronya cancer.
Yes.
You can institute a civil action against.
But you me penny force me nyano.
No, men kase kwayo. I'm saying say bibi sa na say police for kwache na. That is where people have a problem.
Why do you have a problem?
Because a defamation. He has defamed
Electronic Communications Act and
local publication of false news.
And I work as false. Journalism. Who be one hour publish you? And
yes, one publish it.
That your child school of journalism once you.
But as to say true or false,
I am.
The court would decide.
But I am saying, sir, what speaking? You have spoken, and the law is telling you that when you speak. Because this one, for instance, it is falsehood. He even went as far as saying, "Say me what SS." Na me misuma nko SS o. Me GC. So you don't even know me. For you to impugn say me SS candidate, so you don't even know who you are talking about. Because who abronya wo to me we form 5 na me wo ya nka me ba na wo ye pe.
Yeah.
Me mates omo we after form 5 omo to so anko university anko ba bia no. Omo ma na no mo krampo ye mpanyimfo. Na wo timi ka je me ma me panyimu se otimi gya ka chem se me numwi we asem Bawumia wo pa accountability a won ko ni fie ho first the one accountability no on starting free wo ma me chocho we fan to those days and ye tankrofo ani no wo ka de an aden wan twa ma accountability obi mi bisa o aden wan twa ma sa account what na ama kola na yes ade we afi na be church say accountability ade Bawumia na wose we on na me hu ye na post ne mwanwa say he will never sleep till he becomes president. You will never sleep obi on na ade so that they are born in the best no because of the way o me treat Ghana for wose on na what na ho sa what church on ne ma say accountability. Me who say word I was very happy. One start accountability ni free ni fee ho. For some ma collect be the dim penyimfo atem. Na penyimu wote o nti be frɛ ne nka nkyɛn sɛ o krache politics ni ye na didi atem nka ho. Na okɔ sa na odidi atem. Every day for thief, one day for master. Obia won the master, me wa be come ya me nkasa. Okoko kan obia wo nya wo. Wo gina judge ni judge no. Wo dem ran pacho charge sheet ni de man.
When you not judge nanim.
Okoko na hin.
Ni TV program na we.
Na judge anim. It's still publication.
Oh yeah, but so we can original judge actually in open court.
I'm saying
in the charge sheet almost say quote, you are not a judge but rather a politician and you have covered your hair with a sack and claim you are a judge.
Just like caricature. Obi cover the name with the sack on your caricature. You say I was sorry now coffee. Now we either cover the name with the sack when you bomb so the to one shall be teacher. She says what describing judge and so a caricature. We are some now court into my main canny. Who see what cover the name with the sack? What you say? See a difference idea not just a judge in a caricature where instead MPP for cry be called judge and wako bunchre a pachow. Say you and your kind of a chain, no more casacasa. Wait, just wait, dinner temputo. And your fe
Asempa FM.
And your fe what did temputo? If you obi, me feel lawyer for who? Me wa lawyer ma, me wa lawyer nieces, nephews. Me sister a lawyer. Sad musku na mo kono. Enye easy. Obi utimas me who say me respect to professions, engineering, law. Your friend is saying medicine. Ni process no enye easy. Journalism. What you say? Whilst you are practicing, it is difficult. You can die. But momo dia na disua books amo be kan. Law books amo enye easy no bi ayire no ho akwa judge. Wo so kra wo yire so ye lawyer. Into who respect ma your profession. The two shall be one. It is a who did the atem, a who did the your profession for so atem. Obana wa ware no wumu no. Maybe so. Bema de wa no nya yasa. Bema would need the atem. But case no court into my minya, mean tip and let me tell I was mortified. Said judge near caricature. Wakatan and him, Kakamo to be, who knew Nancroft. What you say, maybe that will be? How can you ever? Duncan Williams and I would dinner them or sofo. Maybe they be am see me who software. Me ye ne sofono free ni subain. Because on Yankupon you be no bet me a bonnet say or mayor software.
Yes.
What meets now with the software theater. Obi what be that? Now Obi crampa me my granny most with you are me no cry me who see a chill first and I me feel so oh I am a rehono. I'm a minty with Dinda. Now we are a catch them me say, me num we. Empire, be hobby. Empire, and my words here.
We are selling their house.
I have been no reason. Obi what be that? Me, there be near me bo what me near me bo hobby who can find me one me masem. But I dear me ye. Yeah. Me be that. Otima say, Matsna we are say I shall me who's ye. Just a good fellow, the same way okay, if you open person busu as a worker gem said me account for me stewardship. Yes, I don't confuse me drum and me fage and to about. Otima say, me papa tia se come. Me person me kasa. Into so catch them me ya jan to say me makwaku me steward me obi me idea motivating me yesika. So we me very well a dimpa and motivating me. Because obi me near me here and no so. But
fellow the explanation about.
I dear fellow for explanation.
Me here is missing the point.
Me here good fellow explanation.
Shouldn't be emotional about this.
I
didn't mean to rattle her. These matters can be defamation suits. Why are they being criminalized? That's the point. The
my mom said there's another dimension to it. I don't know where you ignore. Yeah, I don't know where you ignore Electronic Communications Act.
Okay. And even at 29,
the criminal yes. Why are they ignoring it and going to a criminal libel? Because you see, I expunged criminal libel, but this one is still there. They kept it. But the fact is, I expunged criminal libel. It means that we should be responsible. It does not mean that we should be responsible. Obi a dear bakwa ye painful we are say a verbal abuse.
Yes.
And especially if you abuse women, you abuse people in authority. Me can't directly say maybe I when bibi, but I will say why you bibi. I bet asama wo can ne can wasem. But you can nipa hunsa asa wo young concern. Why you gossip? There be any rumors. It is not nice. You can say anything you want to say, but find a good way of saying it. Good fellow, and then dear here by himself. He can't rattle me, man in yana dreams will bet me a rattle. Yes, he cannot rattle me. Pesa catch a good fellow.
Very well. Messa and Swaba will hope you.
Many better no boy out the medicine be
okay. And I can the opposite of 1 minute. Yes.
Bawumia, Dr. Bawumia backyard. Obi whole friends. One can say is excellent Mahama incompetent. Excellent Mahama. One for excellence account. Bawumia who saw better press statement. It wouldn't feel. I can't rom said your kind woman can ye. A bronye did the first lady at them. It's a bronyo tiwi. First lady and a bushy near. And what your sister and mamma. And Kenya Nefe. What's not the panel no should the first lady at them? The first lady, Her Excellency Lordina Mahama. Yes. Oba one pen once someone nam the baby in a juma. Or did Dean at them? Eddie Dib, His Excellency Mahama at them. Poto until when ya one woman a bushima. Cabron and Kenya ne de. So Timmy pointing in Sasse Miniani. And I'm Anthony. What has Dr. Bawumia when you chrome her? I don't want Trump press said there should be accountability. And then you know, be uncanny you. Also, I can't judge a man who watched no.
Obi Nanaya called the board of trustees of the National Cathedral fraudsters. So please ask her to respectfully.
When did I say that?
Kofi Ameyaw no say
Kofi Ameyaw.
Oh, unim Kofi Ameyaw. Kofi Ameyaw ya MPP near no war New York.
No, was me make us say
also omo nyina ye frosters.
Can you imagine? You shouldn't start me. I dear Duncan Williams wom kura de me na ya dag wom. So can say me the Ken a man me never.
Okay.
So suffer. Was it thou shall not touch my anointed and do my prophets no harm?
Because Uncle Ben,
what is he talking about?
Was so Duncan Williams was so is to the number was so
said yes. How can you tell me make us on me a frosters? What is he talking about? We're mixing it up.
Nanaya denies your claim vehemently.
Me can say you in Crawford no Ken and Crawford, but not as often. No. What is he talking about? Me when he makes so near me.
Very well, very well.
Me so for yam bonne crime in Timinka.
Mate. Obi, how can Abronye use such unprintable words against my auntie? He has to publicly apologize to Auntie Nanaya. If not, I would also join in prayers against him. I expect the NPP rep on the show this afternoon to do the right thing and apologize on behalf of the NPP to Nanaya Jantua. Paul De Suso, Worcester, Massachusetts.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.